Everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Erica. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this house for my calico critters. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I made it. And then at the end of the video, I will give you a tour of it because this project has taken a long time. Like, it's taken me at least a week and it's still not finished, but it's kind of like completely finished. You'll see when you see the tour. Okay guys, so I can't do the flash because my phone is about dead, but this is what the house is looking like on the outside. You can see comparison to the Calico Critters. Daddy looks so cute and tiny. So I'm gonna move her out of the way. Go over there. Okay, so she's away from the house. Anyways, it still folds up. This, I did not glue this down. I did at first, and then I was like, oh crap, then it can't fold up. So I am just going to leave that over there for now. And I did glue some sticks. I still need to work on the exterior, which is the landscaping and things like that. And I need to touch up the paint, and I need to like add fake grass and plants and things, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. But the house does still fold up. The tree came off. Anyways, I still needed to glue some tree things on it anyway, but I'll fix that later. But as of right now, it folds up, which is nice because I don't have a lot of space. So anyways, the door, I still need to add a doorknob. I haven't decided on what I'm going to add for the doorknob. But again, for now, the video is finished. So it does open the steps. So I'm going to show you what it looks like this. So see, I mean, like, it looks cute both ways. Like, it does. It looks cute both ways. So that's great. But this is what it's looking like. Extension, because when it folds up, it's not going to be possible, especially since it's going to go in. So I just left this alone. But this is what the inside's looking like right there. I'm sure you're going to see the process of me painting it. I did make a fireplace, and I just added a popsicle stick that I painted the burnt umber. And I'm just going to, like, leave this out and about. I haven't decided if I want to paint the back gray or the matching brick. But, like, it would look cute like that. I'll take some pictures and, like, show you guys. But I do have another wall extension, and it is removable. So these coasters came in handy. Okay, so for a different angle, well, from a different angle, you can see the fireplace. It's actually really cute. And the wall, and moving in front of this tree, you can actually see the staircase, which is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and just knock everything over and take you to the staircase side. So right here, this is the staircase, and it is removable. And again, there's like a wall extension. I haven't decided if I want to leave it there or not, because I don't really know if I want to or not right now. And things are falling. Okay, I fixed it. So with this staircase, I did not want to glue it down. I knew that. I did want it to like curve up, but my dimensions and measuring was wrong because I didn't use a ruler or anything. But I do like how it turned out. And again, I can like have the wall there or just like leave it as is. But I'm probably not going to glue it down. Probably just going to leave it as is. But this is what the stairs looks like, and it's really cool because the Calico Critter can actually stand on it. I'm not lying, like she actually can stand on the stairs, which is nice. And I didn't use a ruler, so I tried to make it compatible enough. But I'm gonna put her up there in the room. But anyways, you can tell that it needs to go in a little bit because I want the beams to like lay flat. But I couldn't decide if I wanted to put anything under here, because intentionally I wanted the kitchen to be under the stairs, which you can't see because it's like so dark. Okay, I turned the flash on really quick so you can see like under the stairs. I kind of wanted there to be people under the stairs. No, not really. But I did want there to be like a bathroom or the kitchen under the stairs intentionally. But then when I saw how big this place was after building it, I noticed that the stairs was small and there's not really anything that I can do completely under here yet until I like add on to it later on, because it's not actually going up. I still need to make like a couple more steps to make it actually go up, and when I do that in the future I will update you guys, and probably then I will do like a laundry room or something under the stairs, or maybe like a simple little bathroom. But through here you go through there, you go through this doorway from the living room, and then you have the stairs, and then over here you have the kitchen. That's the theory, is there's a kitchen. So I'm going to go ahead and spin it, and maybe my wall won't flip. And when I say my wall, I mean like my background, because the real background is actually my bed over there. But anyways, this is the kitchen. like, you got the stairs over here, and these are the stairs, so it is a kitchen, and like I said, it can be expanded because the stairs are removable. And then over here we have the bay window, which is, I don't know, it's gonna be like the dining room. I think it's really cute. I do need to touch up the paint and stuff, which is fine. I still need to make the kitchen. That's the problem, I still need to make the kitchen. But that's gonna be a different video too, because I haven't decided on how I want to make the kitchen. So the flash went off and we're moving upstairs. So I tried to make it compatible so that bo's falling down. I try to make it compatible so they can fit inside. So that's what I did here, and that's why this one is up a little bit more. But also the reason why this is up more is because I did not measure these when I had trimmed them down, so it did give it a little bit of elevation, which I used cardboard for that piece. But now they can actually have a bedroom over here too. Intentionally it was going to be like a 1-bedroom, but now looking at how big this place turned out, it could definitely fit a family of 4 for sure. So yay, that is the tour of my new Calico Critter house that I made. So the reason why I had created it like this was basically so everything can like be put back into the house on the top and the first, well, the second bedroom or whatever. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.